you have medical issues but are struggling to pay for basic medical care. Sometimes the immigration application is kind of second to that, but without the immigration application, you can't get the benefits. But with T visas, there's a totally different program. There's a program called the Trafficking Victims Assistance Program. And when a person is planning to apply for their T visa, right? They haven't even submitted the application, but they're going to be applying for a T visa. At that point, that's when our firm does a Trafficking Victims Assistance Program referral so that they can start to access some temporary benefits first. And that can be assistance with mental health counseling, housing, grocery cards, gas cards. Other type of assistance can be learning workers' rights, getting to understand more about the healthcare system, having what's called wraparound services or somebody to help them with some social and financial support and who's a professional who can keep things confidential. That's a huge benefit to people who are in the process of planning to apply for a T visa. It also is available for people whose T visas are pending. That means they've been filed and are pending with the government. And that program does provide often some assistance even after the case has been approved to help people adjust to what their new options are going to be. So then once the T visa is approved, then the T visa approved individual can actually access things like, if financially qualified, right? Medicaid, benefits like SNAP or people would say food stamps or other public benefits that they need without having to wait many, many years and without having to get a green card. And then one amazing other benefit that's specific to minors, if someone's under 18 and they've been trafficked anywhere in the world, then there's a specific letter that they can get to get those public benefits before they ever apply for immigration status. So there's more than one option to get these benefits. Some are at the planning stages, some are while the case is pending, some are after the case is approved, but there's a humanitarian program designed to support people through the T visa process, as opposed to saying you're going to have to white knuckle your way through your case and get your immigration status, and then maybe you can have access to the things that regular folks in the US have. They're saying, no, in this case, we're going to provide some help to people who are seeking T visas in the beginning and in the middle. And of course, again, at the end, even more options open up.
Wonderful. And lastly, as our overview, will you tell us about how